Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's prepare ourselves for set. Some questions from previous past papers of set. I have deleted the simple enough one. I have taken at least average and so on. Question number 1 reads as which of the following functions define the function f of x based on the values in the table below. We have given a table x f of x 0 minus 5 corresponding to 1 minus 6 corresponding to minus 7 corresponding to 3 minus 8. If we look at the options, they are all linear. They are all linear. They are all linear. We are asked to write a linear equation from this table. Any 2 points are far enough to determine the equation of a straight line or a linear function. To write a linear function or more appropriate equation of a straight line in two variables x and f of x. F of x means y. 2 points are enough. 0 minus 5, 1 minus 6. Take any 2 points, either this and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pairs. Take any 2 pairs and it works wonder. It works wonder. Let me take the first one. Linear equation. Linear equation in two variables, that is x f of x, or some writers write f of x as y. Linear equation in two variables always represents a straight line, always represents a straight line, always represents a straight line, a straight line. How to write its equation? Take any 2 points, find the gradient first. 0 minus 5, 1 minus 6. I am taking the first two. Gradient is given by, when 2 points are given, difference of ordinate divided by difference of abscissa, or difference of ordinate divided by difference of abscissa, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Name them as x1, y1, x2, y2. It's up to you. If it is x2, y2, then it is x1, y1. This makes no difference. I am taking x1, y1, x2, y2. Minus 6 minus y1 is minus 5 and 1 minus 0. Gradient is going to be minus plus minus 6 plus 5 over 1. So our gradient in that case is minus 1. Gradient in that case is minus 1. Gradient is minus 1. Whenever we have gradient, you can utilize slope intercept form, that is mx plus c. This is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. We have slope. Y is equal, plug in the value of gradient, minus 1x plus c. Now, either utilize this or this, we are going to get this c. We are going to get this c. I am plugging in this one instead of x, instead of y minus 5, instead of x, it's negative 0 plus c. So I have c is equal to minus 5. C is equal to minus 5. C is equal to minus 5. So my complete equation is to be y is equal to mx plus c. Y can be written as f of x, or m is minus 1x, or c is minus 5. So we have minus x minus 5 is our required function. That is option number E. If you want to utilize option, then it's really very simple. Put x is equal to 0. We are going to have f of x is equal to minus 5. If we plug in x is equal to negative, x is equal to 1, minus 1 minus 5, it will become minus 6. Easy to verify, easy to verify, easy to verify. But this is a subjective or orthodox method to arrive at a result. How to find linear function or equation of a straight line in two variables. Equation of a straight line in two variables, taking any 2 points, managing the gradient, slope, and utilizing slope intercept form, that is our y is equal to mx plus c. Don't forget, don't get yourself confused. F of x or y are synonyms of each other. Y or f of x are synonyms of each other. We mostly write y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x. This is the way to write equation of a straight line in two variables. Equation of a straight line in two variables. This form is known as slope-intercept form. I have written slope-intercept form. Whenever we have given 2 points, it's really easily ready-made available formula, difference of ordinate divided by difference of abscissa. It gives us gradient, that's -1 in that case. Putting here -1x, taking any point, utilize this point, either this, you are going to get C. That is our -5, that is our y-intercept, that is our y-intercept. Y is known as y-intercept, y is known as, C is known as y-intercept, C is known as y-intercept, C is known as y-intercept, C is known as y-intercept. To write equation of a straight line, you need slope plus point. Slope plus point. Gradient can be managed by, one possibility is that we have, when we have given 2 points, that is the formula to manage, to write, to obtain, to accomplish gradient, y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. Moving towards next question, we have, a simple algebraic manipulation. Consider the sum of the expression minus x square plus 4x minus 3 and 5 times x square minus 2 times x plus 8. If the sum is written in the form gx square plus hx plus k, where g, h and k are constants, what is the value of k? What is the value of k? Consider the sum, add them up. We have given two expressions. They are quadratic, minus x square plus 4x minus 3. Other one is 5x square negative times 2x plus 8. Consider their sum. There is 1, negative 1, positive 5, it will become 4x square, positive 4x, negative 2x, positive 4x, negative 2x, positive 2x is the result, negative 3 plus 8 or 5 is the result. We have to compare this with gx square that is given to us plus hx plus k. Here g is equal to 4, while h is equal to 2, and k, we are interested in value of k, that's 5. That's 5. So value of k is equal to 5 in that case, equal in 5 in that case. What happens? The student do not follow the instruction. The student do not follow the instructions and he is wandering here and there. For subcontinent students, it is Achilles heel of a student to understand the question, to comprehend the question, what is the demand of the question. The question is simple enough. Just we have added the expression and compare that g, h, k, and we have to required value of k is 5, we have done so. Consider the sum of the expression. Consider the sum. We have to consider the sum of this and this. We have to add. Then, if the sum is written in the form, it is also given to us. Sum of quadratic expression is also quadratic expression. Then we have to manage the value of k, that's 5. Follow the instruction. Follow the instruction. Ab initio of set level questions. To clear set, your English is wonderful. At least you have ability to comprehend, understand what is given to us. You have to follow the instruction. You have to follow the instruction. If you are able enough to follow the instruction, then you are going to work wonder. Otherwise, English blended, math blended in English is going to cause a trouble for you. That is going to be definitely tumbled you over. Moving towards next question, we have, if a line has a slope of 5 and y-intercept of k, what the value of k if the points 1, 8 and 3, 8 are in the line. A really very cool concept. Slope denoted by m, also known as gradient, is 5. Or slope, gradient, it is given to us, that's 5. Slope denoted by small m, also known as gradient, is equal to 5. It is given to us. And y-intercept is equal to k, and line passing through and line contains a line passes through the points 1, 8 and 318 are in the line, or in the line, or on the line, or line passes through these two. It's a wonderful concept. At this level, mostly O level, A level, and SAT students prefer this equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. It is known as slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, where this is our slope or gradient, and C is known as y-intercept. C is known as y-intercept. Plug in the values. We have given gradient m, slope is equal to 5, and y-intercept is equal to k. Plug in the values here. Y is equal to 5x plus k. 5x plus k. Now, one point is enough for us to determine the value of k. We have given two values, that is 3 and 18. Let me correct it. Okay. I am taking this one. This is our x, this is our y. Plug in the values. Y is 8. 5 times 1 plus k. It is 8 equal to 5 plus k. Shift 5 here. 8 minus 5. Value of k is to be 3. Sky is not going to fall. For this point, it will also give you same result of k. Y is equal to 5 times x plus k. In that case, y is 18, x is 3. 18 is equal to 5 times 3 plus k. 18 is equal to 15 plus k. 18 minus 15 is equal to k. So we have same value of k is equal to 3 in either of the points, 3, 8 or 3, 18. In that case, our option is 3. One can adopt a different approach. Sorry, this is not mine option. That is the case here. So k is equal to 3, that's mine question. Or you have given 2 points. If you have given 2 points, you can write equation of straight line. Even you have not given gradient. Even if we don't given a slope. If 2 points are given to us, they are enough to work wonder for us. Let's see and find out, without taking for granted this value of slope 5, still we can manage the equation, that is going to be y is equal to 5x, k means 3. It is the equation. We can still manage without taking this slope. Let's see and find out how. We have given 2 points. The equation passes through the 2 points 1, 8 and 318. 1, 8 and 318. 1, 8 and 318. Look at this. 1, 8 and 318. That's our x1, y1. That's our x2, y2. Let's manage the slope. Gradient, it's given by difference of ordinate divided by difference of abscissa. One can say rise over run. One can write the difference in y divided by difference in x. All these are synonyms for this y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 18 minus 8 over 3 minus 18 minus 8, 10. 10 divided by 2. Look at this. We have same slope, that is 5. Even we adopt a different strategy, utilize point slope form, independent of the y is equal to mx plus c. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That's our slope y. Taking this point, it's simple one. Y minus 8 is equal to slope 5, x minus 1. We have y minus 8, 5x minus 5. Shift 8 here. It is going to be 5x minus 5 plus 8. We have y is equal to 5x plus 3. Still we have managed each and everything same. We have managed m is equal to 5 and k is equal to 3 as usual. Even you can utilize this point instead of x1, y1 here and here. Still you will get the same answer. Let's see and find out how. Y minus, I am taking this one. 18 is equal to slope is 5x minus 3. Y minus 18 is equal to 5x minus 15. Shift 18 here. It is to be 5x minus 15 plus 18. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Still we arrive at the same result. That is the strategy to follow to solve straight line. You should have a grip. It has several possibilities to find slope. We have discussed one, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have given whenever you have given 2 points, and we have utilized this equation as well, or generally this equation has to be utilized at this level. Moving towards next question, what is the result when the expression 4x square minus 3x plus 2 is divided by x minus 3? 4x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. Let's stick to orthodox division. 4x square divided by x first term. 4x square divided by x, we are going to have 4x right here. 4x times x, it will become 4x square. 4x times negative 3, negative 12x. Changing symbols, we have now positive 12x, negative 3x. Positive 12x, negative 3x. We are going to have positive 9x plus 2. Again, same strategy. 9x should be divided, must be divided by x. For 9x divided by x, we are going to have 9. 9 means plus 9. Plus 9. 9 times x, 9x. 9 times negative 3, it's negative 27. Change the symbols. Cancel out to 27 plus 2. 27 plus 27 plus 2 plus 27 plus 2. That's our plus 29. That's our remainder. That's our quotient. And that's our divisor. We can write in that form: quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. That's the strategy to write division algorithm whenever we have a remainder is not equal to 0. That is the way to be utilized in integration, or in that expression when the divisor is not a factor of this expression. When divisor is not a factor of this expression, we have quotient 4x plus 9 plus remainder is 29, and our divisor is x minus 3. Our divisor is x minus 3. If you want to verify, take LCM. You are going to get the same expression. You are going to get this expression same. Now let's verify this. X minus 3 is our LCM. Here it will become 4x plus 9 times x minus 3 plus 29. Solve this. We have 4x square. 4x times negative 3, negative 12x. 9 times x, it's positive 9x. Positive 9 times negative 3, it's our 27. Divisor remains same. Minus 12x plus 9x, 4x square. 4x, and there is plus 29 as well. 4x square, we have minus 3x. Minus 27 plus 29. Minus 27 plus 29. That's R2. We have the same expression that we have divided with this x minus 3. That is the way to negotiate division when divisor is not a complete root, is not a root factor satisfy our divide. Whenever we have remainder is not equal to 0, so in that case our option is going to be the T, 4x plus 9 plus 29 over x minus 3. It's my tiny effort to guide to you how to solve that question. It's solved by itself. Next.